I need a box opener. There it is! A collector's Wrath of the Lich King package! Hi everyone. Hello, hello. I wanted to show you guys something that I got. So, Blizzard sent me one of these. I got a Burning Crusade Classic package. Package, I suppose is the correct word for it. I'm late with that. Oh, with this. I did see that a bunch of other streamers got it before me, but... So can you guys like pretend like this is the first time you saw it? Be like, oh my god! Maybe? Yes? No? Maybe? Oh my god, what is that? No way! Oh my god! Yeah, look! There's boxes and boxers. Boxers? Boxes. Boxes and boxes. We got 3 cork coasters. Wow, oh my god, open it. WTF? Here it is. Admit you guys haven't seen this. Cork coasters. The Burning Crusade Classic. Then we've got a... Ooh, look at this. And this. Can you guys say what this is? Only on Wowhead that we can... Excuse me? Is that for the fridge? No, they're coasters. They're coasters. So you put your drinks on it, basically. We also got 5 magnetic badges. So this is something you can put on your fridge. There we go. There it is. Yeah, I don't think it would work on the Monster Fridge because Monster Fridge is glass. There it is. That's a cute little blood elf. We got the blood elf. We got the Burning Crusade. We got the Draenei. We got Illidan. What's the last thing? I can't see. Am I blind? Oh! Wait, now I'm starting to see. I couldn't see what this was. I thought this was a big genie. I was like, what is this? But they're just like spell effects. Isn't that Valera? I couldn't see. I couldn't see. But yeah, so those were the metal badges. And this one is Outland map puzzle. Oh, it's an actual puzzle. Should we do it? Okay, Kappa. No, no Kappa. It's a small puzzle, so I think we could potentially do it now. Oh god. Why does the puzzle have like so much? I just cleaned this table. Whatever. Close map, no cheating? Well, I mean, I won't be able to see what things are if I don't have a map. Do that map? Are you guys serious? Okay, I guess we'll try. Let's see. Crusade. Burning. There we go. Okay, we're not using a map. Oops, I can't spell. Okay, this is an edge. I don't know which side edge because I'm not allowed to have a map.
2,000 years later.
Okay, well, it does look like Netherstorm, to be fair. Like, if you look at these, the islands look similar.
1 eternity later.
Don't tell her it's upside down for us. Well, I know that part. There we go. Yeah. There it is. There it is. The correct side up. Okay. I know this was pretty slow, so like it's gonna come off like, oh, Annie, that was a bad joke. But I'm actually not done unboxing things. I have another thing from Blizzard. I have another thing from Blizzard. I need a box opener. I was like, is it empty? There it is. There it A collector's Wrath of the Lich King package. And it's sealed too, by the way. I'm gonna tell you guys the story. No way, Bliss sent you that? Bliss sent me that. So this is the part where I think it's really important to give credit where it's due. There is some amazing people working at Blizzard. Obviously, we've seen a lot of bad things happening lately, especially the last few years with layoffs and whatnot. And I think it's important to separate those entities. Like there's Activision and there's like the top end things, you know, doing. But yeah, so one of the community people said that Blizzard has got these extra boxes, and she, you know, put her own, like, she put it upon herself. How do you say that? She took it upon herself to ask people in the community if they would be potentially interested in receiving a collector's edition. And she had few different expansions, and she didn't have to do this, right? She didn't have to do this. She just wanted to, because she's, I don't know, she's awesome. Anyways, and she basically made us all who were interested to write her an email to say which expansion that you would like and why, and things like that. And then she went and read everyone's emails and handpicked people to get these. Everyone was allowed max 1. So why did I pick Wutlike? I picked Wrath of the Lich King because it's the expansion when I started playing the game. It's the expansion when I started playing. I'm a Wrath baby, and for me, most of my nostalgic feelings are from this expansion. I did put MOP as my second one because I enjoyed MOP in like a next level way, because at that point I had become a better player, I guess. So I started, you know, diving into trying different classes and things like that. So MOP was also very special to me, but Wrath was the most special to me. And I wasn't sure if I'd get Wrath because she said she has very, very few Wrath ones, and she had more of the other ones. And I was like, oh no. Well, we'll see, I guess. Yeah, and then she sent me Wrath. So is this the same size as the rest of them? I'm assuming it is. It's perfect! Look! That's so cool! 70 times 50. I could even potentially frame it, actually. ASMR. My microphone is so clean, what the hell? What the hell? Sub to your Patreon? Yeah, guys, just sub to my Patreon and then you'll get the lewds once a month.